Does your Viber have an endless list of contacts, making it hard to find the one you're looking for? If this sounds familiar, stay tuned because in today's video, we'll show you how to add a folder in Viber to organize your contacts and make finding them much easier. First, make sure your Viber app is up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone, search for Viber, and if you see an update button, tap on it to get the latest features. Once updated, open the Viber app. At the top of the page, you'll see a section where your existing folders are arranged. Contacts added to these folders can be accessed easily. To create a new folder, tap the button with the plus sign. A window will pop up where you can enter the name of your new folder. After that, tap the next button in the top right corner. Now, you'll see a list of contacts that you can add to this folder. Select the contacts you want, then tap the Done button in the upper right corner. If everything went smoothly, your new folder will appear in the list at the top of the screen. And that's it! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Viber tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.